Hello, my dear students. This is Saloni Jain, your instructor for Microsoft Excel. So, let's start. So, what is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft Corporation USA. It is a huge application with various types of options and function in it. And you can use different types of function, formulas, and also you can work on different graphical representation of data like charts, etc. And you can work on different data analysis like filter, sort, subtotal, or much more options available here. So this is an Excel screen. Okay, when you open it for the first time, a blank workbook will open like this. So there are many options available on the screen. Let me try to explain what are those options. Okay, first of all, this is a title bar and it shows the name of the file whenever you save it. Okay, so and then there are some tabs like home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view. These are the different tabs and each tab has a set of commands in a group, like clipboard is a group, font is a group, alignment is a group, and so many commands are there, but in the groups, different groups are there. Okay, by default it shows you home tab. All right, yeah. So so next one is this is and these commands are placed on a ribbon. Okay, these commands are placed on a ribbon, so this is called a ribbon where these groups are placed. So this is a ribbon. Okay, and next one is this is a name box. Suppose this is my cell. Okay, this is a cell. Wherever you can use the arrow keys to move the cell, okay, up and down and right to left. Okay, and this is a cell. It is a combination of a row and a column. Okay, so this is a name box. Wherever your cell is placed, it will show you the cell reference. It's in the name box. So this is called name box. It is very useful. Name box we will use for the name box. Okay, and next one is this is a formula bar. Whatever you write, suppose I am writing a name, like whatever you want to write, suppose roll number. Okay, so it will display here in the formula bar, or we can use it is for calculation purpose by using the equal sign. Okay, formula always starts with a equal sign. Okay, so this is a formula. Whatever you write here, it will reflect here. See, okay, what in which cell we use for the writing purpose, it will reflect the your values or your data here. Okay, whatever you write, it will reflect on this formula bar, or we can use this for the formulas as well, right? So next one is these are the columns A, B, C, D, and there the last column is XFT. So what is a shortcut key to move to the last of the column? Just press Control and right arrow key. Okay, so last column is XFD, and if you want to move to the first column, set Control and left arrow key. Okay, and if you want to go to the last row of this sheet, just press Control and down arrow key. So how many rows are there? 10,48,576 rows are there, and how many columns are there? 16,384 columns are there, and how many rows are there? 10,48,576 rows are there. Okay, so this is my first cell. A1 is a first cell, right? This is a cell pointer. Wherever you move with the arrow key, or you can use a tab key, or you can use a enter key like this. Okay, clear? Yeah. Okay, next one is, if you come down, there is a sheet name. Okay, so this is a sheet 1. By default it will show you only one sheet. Okay, so only the sheet 1, and see that there is a plus sign. Okay, if you want to add more sheet, just keep on incrementing the sheet. Just click on this plus sign and your sheets will be increased. Okay, and next one is the see there is a status bar. See, whenever you just click on it, it will show enter. If I have double clicked on it, it will show you the enter. Now if you click right like this, and it will show you the ready mode. So these are the mode. Okay, suppose you have written roll number and by mistake you have put double dots, and if you want to edit, see I have pressed F2 function key for editing. Okay, so now see, this is the edit mode. Okay, this is the edit mode. Just backspace on it and just a roll number. This is a roll number. Okay, and whenever you want to edit, press the F2 function key. Okay, and or you can double click on it, then it will always show you the edit mode whenever you double click on it, or you press the F2 for editing, right? See, now the next one is, if you want to rename the sheet, just right click on it, you can rename the sheet. Okay, you can change the name of this sheet. Suppose I want to change the name as SAPS. Okay, so name is changed. You can change the tab color as well, like this. See, and you can protect your sheet. Okay, you can copy your sheet. Suppose I want to make a copy this, just create a copy, it will generate a copy. Okay, see, sheet 2 का मैंने copy किया, so it will generate a copy. And other options are, you can change the tab color. As I said you can change any tab color here. Different tab colors are available. You can change any color. You can select all these sheets like this, and suppose you have many sheets in one workbook, and some sheets now see hidden. If you want to see that sheet, just click here and move the, okay, see, if you click here, just click here and you just press control and left click, see, it will show you the all the file, control and left click, right? Okay, clear? And you can select all the sheet, you can open all the sheets as well. Okay, and next one is, these are the scroll bar. If you want to move further any cell, you just click here, and if you want to bring back your cursor, you just click this scroll bar. And likewise, if you want to move downwards, just click here, this scroll bar, and if you want to move upward, just click on this scroll bar. So this is all about Excel screen. Okay, so there are three options. This is a close button, restore. When I click on the restore, it will change to the maximize button, right? And this is the minimize button. Okay, and whenever you want to, suppose you have written some data, like I just type some data, write name, class, okay, subject लिख देते हैं, right, English, marks, science, like this. Okay, so whenever you want to save your file, just click on the file and click on the save as option, or you can use the F12 key for saving the file, or you just write here the file name, or you can use Control S. Okay, same thing. Or just click on the save as, go to the browse, and here first of all you select the location where you want to save your file, either in pen drive or any other drive. Okay, or by default it goes in the documents. You can save, you can give any path, right? And afterward give the file name. You can change the file name, like I am giving my name Saloni. Okay, and save as type. There are many types which you can save it. You can create a PDF as well. Okay, so I just select the Excel workbook and I click on the save button. So my file will be saved, C Saloni. Okay, so this is the title bar. Okay, my title has been changed now, right? So thank you guys. This is all about Excel screen, and if you like my video, please subscribe, share my channel, And till then, keep learning, keep watching. Thank you.